Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show you the flagship smartwatch, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, Galaxy Watch Ultra and Huawei Watch Ultimate. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Huawei Watch GT5 Pro comes with 518 water grade, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Huawei Watch Ultimate comes with IP68 rating. Display features. Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with Super AMOLED display. Huawei Watch Ultimate comes with LTPO AMOLED display. And the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro comes with an AMOLED display. Hardware features. Next, compare the battery features. Huawei Watch GT5 Pro comes with up to 14 days and 7 days of battery life. Huawei Watch Ultimate comes with up to 14 days of battery life. Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with up to 48 hours of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.